banging and swinging, Ellie. You gang. This your girl Lynn back with another video. And today, me and my niece and Nova, we are actually riding over to Groverman Road to see the lights here in Jacksonville. It's called the Blackhawk Bluff Christmas display. That's what it is. Over off of Garvin Road here in Jacksonville. So that's where we're headed. So let's get into this video. You see the lights, buddy? Due to Christmas lights, expect heavy traffic from December 2nd to the 25th from 5 to 10 p.m. See? Look at you. You better get down. You better get down. You better not jump out that window. You see the lights? See the lights? You better not jump out that window. You see them, buddy? See the Christmas lights? See them, buddy?
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready?
What you say? What am I doing wrong? I ain't talking about you.
I thought you was talking about
No.
no phone.
You want to see those? You see the lights, buddy? That was a limited time.
Right.
Sneak peek.
What, you going right
He
here?
like, you called me. What you want, woman?
Who, me?
That's what he said.
Oh.
That's
Oh,
why
I'm
he
sorry.
came over here.
I was trying to get you to watch the lights. Nova. 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 Come on.
No, but you gonna come
Yeah.
over here and look.
Come on.
Look at the lights. You see them, buddy?
Oh my gosh. Nova.
You see the lights, buddy?
Look. Look at all them lights. Look at all those lights.
That's a lot of lights,
Yeah,
man.
this person from
They went
Whoville.
all around. They went all out.
From Whoville. Look.
You don't sound too enthused about it, buddy.
Right.
Huffing like a doggone
Right. You don't like these?
horse.
You don't like these? This is nice. Alrighty. You don't like it?
Right.
Like nice.
Hey, the popo to come out here and direct traffic, so it be so busy.
Look at that.
Look at him.
Look at that. That's something. This, I see why they wanted to go all out.
Cause they right here in the front.
Mm-hmm.
They got to show up.
This is Blackhawk Buff. I think the same.
What you say?
So that it's black.
It's Blackhawk.
Oh my god, it says black. Oh.
He looking.
You like it?
You see the lights, buddy?
Is it cute?
You see the lights, buddy?
Oh.
Say you should have left me alone, Mom.